primetime news this evening. Supreme Court refuses application filed on behalf of employees seeking to block company's COVID vaccine policy. Mayor lashes out at unvaccinated health workers as COVID fourth wave looms. And later, butchers lament shortage of goat meat this Christmas. Good evening. Welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Now also this evening, there's the Primetime Sports Package. There's sports commentary, E-Prime, your weather report and forecast. But before all that, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what has been your experience trying to purchase goat meat this Christmas? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.